Hello, today we are going to share about New York estimated energy and water flows. Energy consumption of New York is 3,624 trillion BTU. BTU means British Thermal Unit. 1 BTU equals to 1055 joules. Water withdrawals of New York is 9,792 million gallon per day. And now the energy consumption uh, of New York. Now see petroleum. First is petroleum. The production is 2.2 trillion BTU. The consumption is 1352 trillion BTU. So the consumption is more than the production, so they import it from other countries. And now this petroleum used as transportation and used some small amount is used as residential, some small amount used as commercial, and some small amount used as industrial. And you all see the value of all this: transportation, residential, commercial, and industrial. Now second one is biomass. And also the water need is 0 in petroleum. Now the biomass water need is 0.2 million gallon and production is 15.5 trillion BTU and used 115 trillion BTU. Now biomass is used first in transportation and very small amount in industrial and very small amount is used in residential. And the value you all can see. And then natural gas, the water need is 0, production is 36.6, and import from other countries is, so the the uses is 1224. Now uses, more is going to residential, something is going to commercial use, and very small amount is going to industrial use, and other going to electricity generation. Now going to coal, production is 167. Production is 167, very small amount going to industrial, and the other amount is going to electricity, and very small amount is going to commercial use. Now nuclear energy, they all produce nuclear energy in New York. Now the nuclear energy, the full nuclear energy is going to electricity generation. Now going to geothermal, they also produce geothermal in New York. This geothermal is small amount, it is going to residential. Now hydro, come to hydro. Hydro, the whole hydro energy is going to electricity generation. And wind and solar, this also going to electricity generation, and something is going to other kind of uses. Now come to water uses or water withdrawals per day. First come to fresh surface water. The amount of fresh surface water is 4,472 million gallon. Now, more of this water is going to electricity generation, and the other is going to public and municipal water supply, and from there they are going to other uses. Now saline surface water, that's also the amount is 4,621 gallon. The saline surface water are going to thermoelectric cooling. Now come to fresh groundwater. The amount is 702 million gallon, and this is going to public and municipal water supply. And now these are going, and now this public and municipal water supply is going to some more of it's going to residential, some very small amount going to commercial uses, and very small amount going to industrial uses. Now saline ground is 0. Now this fresh surface water, very small amount is going to agriculture and irrigation. In New York, agriculture is very low, so very small amount water is used for agriculture and irrigation. And now comes to surface, now comes to discharge. Water should be discharged, so the surface discharge level is very high. Surface discharge level amount is 7,016 million gallon, and from 7,016 million gallon per day. And now come to ocean discharge. Ocean discharge amount is 2,409 million gallon per day. Next come to consumed or evaporated water. Some water should be evaporated, so the amount is low, 367 million gallon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel and press like button.